If OneDrive is acting slow, freezing, or not syncing properly, clearing the app cache can often fix the problem in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear the OneDrive app cache on Windows the safe and easy way, so you can refresh the app without losing your files. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the taskbar and click the OneDrive cloud icon. This opens the OneDrive activity window where you can see syncing status and quick controls. Next, click the gear icon, then choose Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the option that says Pause Syncing. Click that and choose 2 hours. Pausing syncing is important because it helps prevent file conflicts while you reset the app. Now press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. This is where we'll run the OneDrive reset command. In the run box, paste this command exactly as shown, c://program-files/Microsoft OneDrive/OneDrive.exe/reset. Make sure the path is typed correctly because this command tells OneDrive to clear temporary data and reinitialize the app. Once the command is pasted in, press Enter. After that, don't worry if OneDrive disappears for a moment or seems to close. That is completely normal. Wait about 2 minutes and give the reset process time to finish. During this time, OneDrive is clearing cached files and temporary sync data in the background. After the wait, open the Start menu and search for OneDrive. Then click the OneDrive app to launch it again. Once it reopens, sign in if needed and let it reconnect to your account. At this point, the OneDrive cache and temporary sync data should be cleared, which can help resolve syncing errors, loading issues, and app glitches. If OneDrive is still not behaving correctly, you can repeat the steps carefully one more time, or check your internet connection and account sign-in status. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the OneDrive app cache on Windows. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.